Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to showcase a variety of short haircuts that you can wear this summer. So if you've been longing to cut off your hair and you're looking for a brand new hairstyle, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a big chop makeover. The stylist put the hair in 2 ponytails. She has gorgeous ginger colored hair. Looks like the stylist is adding some bangs in the front. Oh wow, this is an absolutely gorgeous mushroom style pixie, very 90s inspired. Absolutely gorgeous, love the choppy texture. And then we move on to a rather unique haircut. So this is like a well-structured pixie bob variation. Beautiful blonde coloring. Very unique shape and texture that the stylist did with the cutting. Definitely looks like something that you would see on like the runway. This is gorgeous. And then we see someone rocking an asymmetrical pixie undercut style. Looks like she's adding in some texture through the use of these wand curls, very pretty. And then we see another pixie undercut variation. It's like she mixed it up with a full undercut, and then we move into more of a pixie style. Shaven sides and napes. I love her makeup, so pretty. So don't forget to let us know in the comments below which hairstyle from today's video is your favorite. Here we have another hair transformation. This is another very unique, edgy style. Definitely a take on the modern mullet trend. And then we have our fresh bob haircut. Beautiful bangs in the front. And this bob does feature a nice wispy texture to it. And we're seeing a lot of shapes for this particular bob style this season. It kind of has like a shagginess to it as well. Next up, we have another bob hair transformation. So she starts off with shoulder length hair. The stylist goes in and adds some texture. Once again, creating that wispy effect with the shaggy bob. Gorgeous, and I'm loving her makeup as well. Next up, we see someone with a bob haircut yet again. Stylist freshens up the look with a cut and color. So it looks like she went with a brighter blonde and a shorter cut. So I hope that you guys did enjoy checking out all these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.